तो आज के एपिसोड 9 में आप सबका स्वागत है और आज का एपिसोड सूत्र संचालन करेंगे प्रसन्ना संत। सो ओवर टू यू प्रसन्ना।
Yes, thank you so much, and namaskar and good evening to all our wonderful listeners on this wonderful medium. This is what the situation is. So everything that we'll be doing will be online, and we've got two wonderful guests with us. Third one joining us shortly. Three wonderful Test cricketers, all having an established career themselves, and we'll be chatting with all three of them, and we'll hope that we get to know a lot of dressing room ki batein from all the three gentlemen. Firstly, we'll introduce Mr. Anshuman Gaikwad, a former India cricketer, national selector and coach, and we know him as Anshuman Gaikwad. But one thing that we should know about him is that he was also called as the Great Wall. 40 test matches, 15 one-day internationals, a highest score of 201. And not only did he play for India with great distinction, but also coached India with a lot of success as well. So welcome, Anshuman Gaikwad, sir. Good evening, and hope all well with you in these times.
Yeah, good evening. All is well.
Yeah.
What can one do? There's nothing much to do. We are in a lockdown.
Yes. Absolutely. So we'll know a few dressing room ki batein from you in the next half an hour that we are chatting with you. Our next guest that we have with us, the very charming, the always smiling Venkatpati Raju with us. Former India cricketer, represented India in 28 test matches, 53 one-day internationals, and also part of World Cup teams. And also that Kolkata test match is something that we're going to talk about with him, and a lot of other things about his Telugu commentary and a little bit of Marathi as well, with which we will interact in due course of time. Our third guest is going to be again a former India cricketer, Mr. Karsan Ghauri, also a part of the AICAPC, now the president of the AICAPC. He'll be joining us shortly. So we'll start with Anshuman Gaikwad, sir. Anshuman, sir, once again, welcome. First thing that I would like to ask you is our topic, our subject, our program name is Dressing Room Ki Batein. But if I were to ask you, your drawing room itself was your dressing room because you come from a cricket family.
Yeah, absolutely. Meaning cricket family, and that's not only thing, but I think everything was cricket. Meaning eating, sleeping, drinking, everything was cricket, nothing else. And that's how it went on. And our life revolved around only cricket, cricket, cricket. So as you rightly said, it's all cricket all over.
So when you saw your father playing, representing India, did that ignite a dream कि नहीं मुझे आके जाके इंडिया के लिए खेलना है?
Yes, that was always there. You know, my dad was a big name then. He was captain of India, and he got a lot of importance around with his friends, players. And I used to go with him on the ground every day when I was young, and be a ball boy, if nothing else. Always involved in cricket all through and through, and it was in the family. My uncles played, my grandfather played, so you can say cricket was in the blood. And
yes,
I enjoyed that particular moment, and always thought that, well, I should also get those kind of things, accolades and importance as my dad had. So I did try initially, but then I was no good. So dad stopped me playing cricket and said, "Ki Anshuman, you better concentrate on studies. You can't play cricket." Oh. I was scared of fast bowling. I was a crybaby. I used to complain all the time. And all sorts of things were there when I was young. But then, you know, everything has its time.
Yeah, so you said everything has its time, and then came the debut for India. You played Ranji Trophy cricket and then represented India at a wonderful venue versus the West Indies at Kolkata in 1974. Tell us about what went through your mind where you represented India. Dressing room में आप बैठे थे, India के लिए first test match Eden Gardens में खेल रहे थे. Just tell us how that dressing room atmosphere was for you, sir, representing India for the first time.
आपको सच बताऊं कि पता नहीं चल रहा था कि मैं इंडियन टीम का खिलाड़ी हूँ, कहाँ पे बैठा हूँ, ड्रेसिंग रूम में बैठा हूँ कि घर पे बैठा हूँ, कुछ पता नहीं चल रहा था, क्योंकि दैट टाइम वी हैड बिग टाइम क्रिकेटर्स, यू नो. ना पटोरी कप्तान थे और करसन गावरी मेरे साथ थे, मदन लाल मेरे साथ थे, जो तीनों ने हमने वो मैच में डेब्यू किया था. वो हमारी पहली टेस्ट मैच थी कलकत्ता वाली. तो इतने बड़े प्लेयर बाजू में रहते थे. ड्रेसिंग रूम में जैसे आप बात करो, पटौड़ी, इंजीनियर, आबिद अली, सोलकर, वेंकट राघवन, प्रसन्ना, चंद्रशेखर, और सारे के सारे बहुत बड़े नाम थे। और हम लोग तो यंगस्टर थे, तो हमको तो एक ही काम था कि किसने हमारे तरफ देखा तो पूछ लेना क्या चाहिए। बात तो नहीं करते थे हमारे साथ सीनियर लोग, तो बहुत, वो टाइम सीनियर जूनियर तो एक बहुत बड़ी बात थी। और तो वहां पे तो बातें करने वाली तो कोई चांस ही नहीं था कि सीनियर के साथ आप बात करो। हम गुड मॉर्निंग भी कहते थे बस में जाते टाइम, तो हमको देखते भी नहीं थे। तो इतना डिफरेंस था। आज का क्रिकेट तो कुछ अलग सा हो गया, मगर पानी पिलाते जाओ, बाकी कुछ नहीं, बातें तो होती नहीं थी। और हमारे लिए तो टेंशन जैसा था, क्योंकि जूनियर्स के लिए इतनी डर थी सीनियर से, कैसा लगता था कि कब क्या कुछ बोल देंगे, क्या तो फायरिंग मिल जाएगी। मगर जैसी मैच शुरू हुई, जब जैसा जैसा माहौल बढ़ते गया, अच्छी मैच हुई, हम जीत भी गए थे, तो उसके बाद में बहुत अच्छा ड्रेसिंग रूम की आप बात करो तो काफी फ्रेंडली एटमॉस्फेयर था। मगर सीनियर तो सीनियर ही थे, वो सीनियर के साथ ही बात करते थे। मैं, करसन, मदन लाल, हम तीनों जन बैठ के हम लोग बात करते थे।
यस, आपने बात की आपके दोस्त के बारे में, करसन घावरी सर, वो आज हमारे साथ हैं। ऑफ कोर्स द AICAPC president and also now the Ranji Trophy winning coach of the Saurashtra team. Welcome, Karsan Ghauri sir. Good evening.
Thank you. How are you all?
Fine, thank you sir. Nice to see you as always, smiling and charming.
And fresh.
Yes,
how
sir.
are you, buddies?
Good.
All well.
I hope all well.
Good. Lovely to see you, Bapu.
Same here, Kadu.
Lovely to see you.
Karsan sir, any of your memories of that test match? Kolkata test match?
Well, a few things. Anshu Bhai has already mentioned, and see, when we went to the Calcutta on the day number 1, when we entered the ground, I think just even before the match started, around 80,000-90,000 people were already there, at the ground, and a few thousand at the hotel. But when we entered, and the exchange of the team and everything, we didn't even know that we are in the playing 11. Just before the Tiger Pataudi went in for a toss, and he had a list of the player. But just before he went in, he just called two of us, Anshuman and myself. He said, "Young sir, just come in here. You are playing this test match." And we were shocked. We were never thought we'll make it in the playing 11. And it was like a dream, because seeing the crowd and the kind of the team we are playing against, it was like a dream. And जैसे एक थप्पड़ मार के उठाना होता है ना, ऐसी सिचुएशन थी हमारी। क्या कि हम लोग ये ख्वाब देख रहे हैं या ये सच्चाई में हम लोग ये टेस्ट मैच खेलने वाले हैं? But anyway, that was it. Yeah. So these are the things, as Anshuba has already mentioned, because there were a lot of the senior players and junior players, and we used to hang around with guys like Eknath Solkar, Anshubai, Madan Lal, because we had more of a senior players like Farooq Engineer, Tiger Pataudi, Prasanna, Chandra. Anshubai has already mentioned that. So हम लोग, because of the respect, we never used to go and talk to them unless we are asked to say something. But otherwise, हमारी हिम्मत नहीं होती थी कि उनके सामने हम जाके बात करें.
Oh wow, what wonderful stories. I think हमारे जो listeners हैं वो कितना खुश होते रहेंगे कि करसन घावरी सर, अंशुमन गायकवाड़ सर के वो डेब्यू के बारे में इतनी अच्छी चीजें सुन रहे हैं और भी आगे बातें करेंगे. We have a test cricketer from another era. We'll just have a word with him to also involve him in this discussion and conversation. Venkatpati Raju with us. Raju, if you could just tell us about your debut test match against New Zealand. And in that test match, you scored well with the bat, scored 31 runs as a night watchman. Am I right on that?
Yeah.
उसके बारे में हमें थोड़ा बताइए राजू.
We were very lucky, Bishan Singh Beri was our coach. The first time I was coaching an Indian team, and Bishan Beri के बारे में तो सबको पता है, अंशु भाई को मालूम है, कालू भाई को मालूम, बेरी साहब का बारे में. तो काम होते हैं कि टकाना पड़ता है. And yeah, so he made us feel very comfortable. But एक ही problem था पहले टाइम वो टेस्ट क्रिकेट खेल रहे या एथलेटिक्स गए थे, because बिशन पाजी was so much into fitness, इतना भगाते थे पहले, तो सबको टीम में खेलने का ही मन रहता था. Nobody wanted rest. अगर आप रेस्ट किए तो दिन में 4 बार आप रनिंग करना, एक्सरसाइज करना, फिर नेट पे एक्सरसाइज करने के बाद ही बॉलिंग करना. जब तक वो आप बॉल नहीं मांगे आप बॉलिंग करते रहना. तो everybody wanted to play, but like what Anshu bhai and Kadu bhai was saying, we were little fortunate. वो सीनियर्स का अभी जब भी क्या थोड़ा difference कम हो रहा. And like we said, we were 7 or 8 of was who were in that particular team. That team was supposed to be, it was called the team of the 90s. So in that we were lucky. तो इतना प्रेशर नहीं था. And इंडिया में नहीं खेल रहे थे, बाहर खेल रहे थे. तो वो जमाने में न्यूजीलैंड players were not supposed to be good playing spin. इतना प्रेशर नहीं था लेकिन.
Yes, so see how see हमारे listeners को भी ये बताना चाहूँगा कि see how the era has changed and how the game has changed in terms of the dressing room atmosphere. 90s के बारे में बात कर रहे थे वेंकटपति राजू, अभी तो 2020 में हम हैं and so many things have changed. Coming back to Anshuman Gaikwad sir, so you made that debut in 1974, went on to play for India, you got the name of the Great Wall, and whenever people talk about you, write about you, one word that is always used is guts and patience. एक ऐसा नॉक आपने खेला था जालंधर में वर्सेस पाकिस्तान, where it's your highest score in test match of 201 that you scored, and you were there at the crease for 671 minutes. जो हमारे listeners हैं, 671 minutes at the crease. Please tell us sir about that historic knock that you played against Pakistan at Jalandhar.
I'll tell you, you know, I had 2-3 different types of innings. One was this, like, तो खेलते जाओ, कोई चिंता नहीं. और कपिल कप्तान था, तो कपिल ने मेरे कहा कि अंशु भाई आप खेलते रहो, कोई चिंता मत करना, डिक्लेरेशन वगैरह कोई बात नहीं. उसमें ये भी हुआ था कि सुनील जल्दी आउट हो गया था. और काफी 3 विकेट गिर गए थे. तो मैं और रॉजर बिनी की हमारी पार्टनरशिप हुई थी बाद में. तो बात ऐसी थी कि आपको खेलते जाने के लिए बोला, तो मैं खेलते गया और डिक्लेरेशन की कोई बात ही नहीं हो रही थी. तो मैंने बोला कि खेलते जाओ. तो एक दिन निकल गया, दूसरा दिन निकल गया. तो फिर जब पता चला कि 200 बन गए तो बड़ी गाली पड़ी मेरे को जाहिर अब्बास से और सारे प्लेयरों से. अब कितना खेलना है तेरे को, 2 दिन तो हो गए खेलते, बल्लेबाजी करती, अभी क्या 300 करना है तो 300 भी कर ले. मगर इतनी गाली खाई मैंने, इतनी गाली खाई उस दिन. एक तो एक पेशेंस वाला नॉक था, डिटर्मिनेशन वाला नॉक. देखो आप, तो जो सबैना पार्क में हुआ वेस्ट इंडीज में, जब मेरे को गेंद लग गई थी, वो एक अलग सा नॉक था. वहां पे डिटर्मिनेशन, गट्स की जरूरत थी. तीसरा नॉक था एक चेन्नई टेस्ट मैच जो हम जीत गए. करसन मेरे साथ थे, बल्लेबाजी करते थे. और वो एक नॉक था जहाँ पे मैं 90 समथिंग पे और 82 में रन आउट हो गया था और करसन साथ में था वो टाइम पे. अभी वो टाइम पे ऐसा था कि ध्रुव पटौड़ी ने बताया था वो टेस्ट मैच के, देखो स्ट्राइक आप रखना, करसन को नहीं देना, ज्यादातर आप स्ट्राइक लो. तो जहाँ पे 1 रन था वहां पे मैं दूसरा लेने गया और मैं खुद ही रन आउट हो गया. तो ये एक अलग सा एक अग्रेसिव इनिंग थी मेरी. काफी शॉट्स, स्ट्रोक प्ले थे. तो वो एक ऐसे 3 टाइप की अलग अलग इनिंग हुई थी मेरे करियर में जो अच्छी रही.
सर आपने अभी जिक्र किया सबाइना पार्क के वो इनिंग के बारे में, जहां पे आप 58 पे बैटिंग कर रहे थे, बाद में 81 तक गए. तो आपको एक बॉल लगी थी माइकल होल्डिंग की. एंड इफ यू कुड टेल आवर लिसनर्स, टू ऑल आवर व्यूअर्स, कि एग्जैक्टली व्हाट वाज दैट एक्सपीरियंस ऑल अबाउट, प्लेइंग दोस फास्ट बॉलर्स एंड प्लेइंग माइकल होल्डिंग इन दैट प्राइम फॉर्म, वो पेस में. इफ यू कुड just narrate that incident in a short format for all our listeners to know कि कितना intense और कितना tough test cricket हुआ करता था. It is still a toughest format of the game, but in those days it was toughest as like never before.
Then I think we have a network issue with Anshuman sir's feed.
Okay. So yeah, we'll get back to Anshuman sir shortly. We'll come back to Venkatpati Raju here. we have him. We have Venkatpati Raju here with us. Yes, yes. You mentioned about Raju sir. आपने अभी बात की कि you were the team of the 90s. So 90s में आप जब खेले, and you played 2 World Cups in the 90s, the 1992 World Cup in Australia and of course the 1996 World Cup in the subcontinent. तो 90s का जो कल्चर था, और तब कोच भी हमारे AICAPC के फॉर्मर पास्ट प्रेसिडेंट थे अजीत वाडेकर. So tell us the dressing room culture of the team of the 90s where the team evolved.
Yeah, because that I said बिशन पाजी थे. बिशन पाजी अलग तरीका था. बिशन पाजी ज्यादा फिटनेस के ऊपर ध्यान देते थे and very active. आपको ज्यादा रेस्ट नहीं मिलता था. अच्छा अगर खाना खाए है तो खाना हजम करने के लिए आपको एक्सरसाइज और ज्यादा कराते थे. तो उनका था. Then we had Abbas Ali Bey from Hyderabad. So he was part of that 91-92 World Cup का जो टाइम था. So Abbas Ali Bey, like himself, he was very calm, very cool. प्यार से बात करते थे. तो इतना it was more like friendly atmosphere. But the moment Ajit Bhai came in, Ajit Wadekar came in, he had his knack. उनका कैप्टनसी के तरह उनका knack था. प्लेयर से कैसा बेस्ट निकालना. आपसे प्यार से बात करते थे, मगर he used to put in words in such a way, वो आपको लगता था ठीक है सर बोल रहे हैं, अभी सीरियस रहो और परफॉर्म करो, इसके करो. तो वो कल्चर थोड़ा चेंज हुआ. फिर वो सीनियर्स का इंटरेक्ट करते थे, ज्यादा स्टोरीज बताते थे. तो आफ्टर द गेम इट वाज मोर फन बिकॉज जैसे पहले अंशु भाई और खड़ू भाई बोल रहे थे, सीनियर से बात करना बहुत मुश्किल था. बाद में एक कोच कल्चर बाद में आया था और कोचेस के साथ मिलना भी थोड़ा मुश्किल था क्योंकि वो सारे इंडियन पुराने प्लेयर्स थे, कैप्टन्स थे. तो बट वंस वडेकर सर केम इन, जैसा कोहली था, सचिन वर देयर, दे वर स्लोली कमिंग अप, सो ही मेड एवरीबॉडी कंफर्टेबल. तो मुलाकात होती थी, बट लाइक आई सेड ही हैड अ वे, ही न्यू वे टू ब्रिंग द बेस्ट आउट. आपसे मजाक करते थे, वो मजाक में भी आपको सीरियसनेस मत होता था. आप उनका माइंड पढ़ना पड़ता था. एक बार उनका माइंड पढ़ लिए और सुकून रहता.
Oh yes, absolutely. Such wonderful words about former India captain, and also he was the former president of the AICAPC, the late Ajit Wadekar. Thank you so much. Such great words coming in from Venkatpati Raju. Yes, we've got Anshuman sir back with us. Just lost him due to a connectivity issue, but we have him back with us. Anshuman sir, you're there? Anshuman sir, you're there? Okay, we'll touch back. We'll touch back to him once we. Yes, Anshuman sir, you're there?
Yeah, I can hear you. There's some problem with the line. I think it's
yes.
Getting,
so when you were discussing, when you were telling us about that knock of 201, you briefly mentioned about that Sabina Park knock that you played. If you could just narrate to us exactly what happened, because हमारे जो listeners हैं, they're all from this physical challenge cricketers who play really hard with differently abled things that they have, but they play really hard. आप जब batting कर रहे थे तब Michael Holding in prime form with that pace, toughest format of the game, तो आपको जब ball लगी, तो if you could just narrate to us what exactly happened in that Sabina Park test match where you scored 81, fighting knock of 81.
हाँ, देखो वो मैच में मुझे जो याद है अभी, एक तो हमारी जो ट्रिनिडाद की टेस्ट मैच थी, थर्ड टेस्ट मैच, जो हम लोग रन चेस करके जीते थे और करीबन 435 रन के 36 रन हमने किए थे, चेस किए थे और जीते थे. Clive Lloyd's captaincy was in problem after that match. He was to be removed and David Holford, his cousin, was supposed to become the captain. But anyway, he retained his captainship and then we went to final. क्रैश भी थे, मगर आप स्पाइक पेन के उसके ऊपर चलो तो ऐसा लगता था कि आप सीमेंट पे चल रहे हो, इतनी हार्ड थी. तो पहला दिन तो निकल गया. काफी कुछ चीजें
I think we lost the feed again.
Yes.
Prasanna.
Yes. We'll come back to him. Coming back to Karsan Ghauri sir. Ghauri sir, you're there with us?
Yes.
Yes, so your thoughts on that era of cricket where you played the 2 World Cups for India, 75, 79, and now you recently coached the Saurashtra team to a Ranji Trophy title win. How has the dressing room culture changed over the last 30, 40 years that you have been an integral part of the game, sir?
Well, I think the dressing room culture has changed, drastically. I personally feel now, the players are very, very, very in a very friendly terms. And the earlier days, like when I personally used to share dressing room, with the Mumbai team in the Ranji Trophy or in the Test match, for India, in the dressing room and the entire atmosphere was a very serious kind of a things. There was no masti mazak. I mean, of course, masti mazak happened only during the lunchtime or the tea break or after the game. But Indian cricket dressing room those days were very serious, and even like our captain Tiger Patodi was a man of very few words, but to converse. Bishan Bedi was very vocal. Farooq Engineer was a biggest tingle. But the rest are like Chandra and Vishwanath, and they were very serious kind of personalities. And we, being a youngster, we could not do anything like what Farooq did or Bishan Bedi did. We were just just sitting around quietly and watching them and observing what they are doing it. But at the same time, like sharing a dressing room, for Mumbai team was the best time ever, especially for me, because we had some great players,
Yes.
very serious kind of players like Ashok Mankad, Sunil Gavaskar, Dilip Venksankar, Sandeep Patel, and many others like Ramnath Parkar and all. But see, when it comes to a crunch match or any match is serious, but dressing room atmosphere is really lively when during the lunch break or maybe at tea time, and the best time is the end of the day's play, because that is time everybody really used to open out and have a great fun. And the greatest fun-loving guy was Ashok Mankad, Sandeep Patil, and Sunil Gavaskar. I mean, Sunil Gavaskar, during the course of the day, like during the game, he was so serious, about the game. Everybody was serious. But Sunil, I mean, after the game, he used to do a lot of, mimicry, like how, Vijay Merchant talks, how, Professor Chandgarkar talks, how he walks, and, a lot of things like, used to happen in the changing room. But the best part was the Ashok Mankad and Sandeep Patil. I mean, it was like a laugh riot in the changing room.
Oh wow! Such wonderful stories from Karsan Gauri, sir. We will come back to you to discuss a little more on those players that you just now mentioned. Coming back to Venkatpati Raju, we were discussing about the '92, the team of the '90s. The first time that India-Pakistan met in a World Cup match was in the 1992 World Cup. 83, 87, 75, 79, India-Pakistan clash did not happen. But in that 92 World Cup, it was the first time that India-Pakistan met in a World Cup match, and of course, as always has been the history, India ने पाकिस्तान को beat किया. तो तब dressing room की कुछ चीजें आप बता सकते हैं राजू सर हमें? 92 World Cup India-Pakistan.
ना वर्ल्ड कप से पहले हम लोग 5 टेस्ट मैच खेले ऑस्ट्रेलिया में. फिर वर्ल्ड सीरीज था अगेंस्ट ऑस्ट्रेलिया एंड वेस्ट इंडीज. तो टीम we knew what we are. We knew exactly what their role was. जैसा वर्ल्ड कप टीम सेलेक्ट हुआ है, that's the first time a World Cup was playing with color clothing.
Correct. So कैसा लगा वो? Sorry to interrupt. How was the feeling to play in colored clothing for the first time?
Yeah, fantastic, because ना अभी color clothing कभी देखे नहीं, and the stuff was so good and they were providing you everything. वहाँ पे जो ऑस्ट्रेलिया में थे, we had to sign 500 bats. साइन करने के बाद आप जाने के बाद आपका मेजरमेंट लिए, मेजरमेंट दिए थे, इतना ब्यूटीफुल था. People say that was one of the best color clothing which was ever given to a team. And like you rightly said, वो ऐसा वर्ल्ड कप था जहाँ एक टीम सारे साथ खेलने का मौका मिला. इससे पहले आपको ग्रुप्स थे, तो कभी एक ग्रुप जो क्वालिफाई नहीं हुआ दूसरा टीम का साथ खेलना उतना मौका नहीं मिलता था। पहले बार 1992 वर्ल्ड कप के बाद अभी जो 2019 में हुआ है वही फॉर्मेट यूज किया है।
Yes.
So that gave a chance to play against all the best teams.
Correct.
एक ही वर्ल्ड कप में, एंड पाकिस्तान इंडिया मैच तो बहुत ही रोमांचक रहता है। ज्यादा शारजा में खेले बट वर्ल्ड कप में कभी खेले नहीं।
Yes.
And until now we never lost a World Cup against Pakistan.
Yes.
That वो पहला मैच था जो उनको हराए थे। इस मैच था एग्रेशन ज्यादा हो जाता है, सबको मालूम है वो ज्यादा एग्रेशन होता है, जो नर्व्स होल्ड कर सकते वही जीत सकते हैं। तो फैंटास्टिक मैच था, कपिल पाजी ने इतना ब्रिलियंट बैटिंग किया, देन एवरीबॉडी कंट्रीब्यूटेड। तो किरण मौर्य और जावेद मेहंदत का जो जंपिंग इंस्टेंट हुआ था, तो इतना प्रेशर रहता है।
उसके बाद कुछ डिस्कशन हुआ राजू सर, उसके बाद कुछ डिस्कशन हुआ ड्रेसिंग रूम में या बस में या होटल रूम में कि क्या एग्जैक्टली हुआ किरण मोरे और जावेद मेहंदत के बीच में?
नहीं, क्योंकि जावेद मेहंदत क्या है, आप जब भी जावेद मेहंदत बैटिंग करने आते हैं खड़ू पे अच्छे बोलते हो, उनको भी पता है। तो जावेद मेहंदत का क्या, वो उसका प्रेशर निकालने की वो बात करते रहता है, सारे बात करते रहते हैं, सबको तंग करते रहता है। तो किरण मोरे भी वही किया। जब जावेद मेहंदत आया था, किरण मोरे बहुत छवा रहा था पीछे से, जावेद प्रेशर में था, तो he never knew what to say. The only way to ease his जब जैसे भी वो अपील किया तो प्रेशर में वो जंप किया बस। तो अभी दूसरा स्टोरी बोलता है, सो जस्ट टू रिलीज हिज टेंशन। वेरी फनी बट उसमें एक्चुअली टेंशन पार्ट था। तो किरण मोरे भी बहुत वेरी श्रूड विकेट कीपर, मालूम है कब किसको उंगली अपना क्रिकेटिंग लैंग्वेज में बोलते हैं ना, जैसे उंगली कर ऐसा ग्लो लगा उंगली की है या वो उसके लिए
Yes, thank you. हम आएंगे आपके पास वापस आएंगे, but we've got Anshuman Gaikwad sir back and he has to go for another commitment. Quick word.
Sorry, Prasanna, I think we lost his feed again. Some
Okay.
network,
Okay. We'll come back. Okay, we'll go to Ghauri sir. Karsan Ghauri sir is there with us. He just now mentioned about some wonderful Mumbai cricketers और dressing room की वो जो सारी बातें होती रहती थी, whether it was Ashok Mankad, Eknath Solkar, Sandeep Patil, Sunil Gavaskar, he himself. What a great team that was. Ghauri sir, हमने ये भी सुना है, पढ़ा है, कहीं पे देखा है कि ड्रेसिंग रूम का तो कल्चर वो तो अलग था, जो आपकी ट्रेन जर्नीज रहती थी वो भी एक से एक जर्नीज रहती थी जब आप रणजी ट्रॉफी मैचेस खेलने जाते थे। उसके बारे में एक दो कुछ किस्से अगर आप बता सके तो इट विल बी ग्रेट सर।
Well, those days, Mumbai team, wherever they played, Ranji Trophy game with us, it was a league game or the knockout matches, especially the knockout matches. Like, if Mumbai is playing Bihar, then if the match is staged, at Jamshedpur. So from Mumbai to Jamshedpur or to Calcutta, it's a long journey, and we always used to travel by train.
Yeah.
But those train journeys were absolutely brilliant because in the train, the entire the entire bogie was reserved only for Mumbai team only.
Oh wow!
In the first class, and everything was organized, in the train because more than 48 hours journey. So things has to be organized, and chief organizer was of course Ashok Mankad, and we had a timing right from breakfast time till the dinner is over. Like from after breakfast, like from 10 to 12, we'll play cards or play rummy or something to kill the time. And the entire team used to just get together, in one compartment, and few, the senior and the juniors, 6, 7, 8 of them used to play cards, and the rest were good spectators. And like 10 to 12, then lunchtime, and then after lunch you used to have a break. For guys used to go to sleep for a couple of hours, and then again in the evening, 5 to 7:38, we used to play cards again and have a couple of beers, before the dinner. So these are the things, like Mankad used to keep everybody occupied, with his stories and all funny things he did. And it's not only him, but even Sunil used to really open out, in the train journey, and lots and lots of stories, funny story, good stories, bad stories, ugly stories. Everything used to happen there.
Oh, absolutely wonderful, sir. आप जब बोल रहे थे कर्सन सर, तो आपके जो चेहरे पे जो हंसी थी, उससे हमें समझ में आ रहा था कि you always would want to
नहीं,
go
ये
back
मुझे
and live that phase again.
मुंबई के रणजी ट्रॉफी के दिन की बहुत याद आ रही है.
सही बात है सर. एब्सोल्युटली वी कैन फील दैट वाइब सर. थैंक यू सो मच. कुछ आप शेयर करना चाहेंगे, एक आध कुछ एनेक्डोट अबाउट समथिंग दैट यू कैन शेयर अबाउट ड्रेसिंग रूम? किसी ने जोक मारा होगा या ट्रेन में जोक मारा होगा या ऐसा कुछ फील्ड पे हुआ होगा?
एक जोक पे नहीं मारा था, लेकिन ये मैं एक सच्चाई बता रहा हूँ. ड्रेसिंग रूम के बाहर हो गई थी. एक्चुअली क्या हो गया था इन 1976 टेस्ट मैच अगेंस्ट इंग्लैंड. And Bishan Bedi was the captain, and it was played at Wankhede Stadium.
Okay.
So, Bishan Paji was trying very, very hard, to pick the wickets, and he must have bowled a lot of overs. But unfortunately, he didn't, succeed.
Okay.
So he asked, Sunil Gavaskar, he was the vice captain. He said, Sunil, I'm just going in for a little rub, and you take care of the team. And as soon as Bishan Bedi went in, Sunil gave me the ball, the old one.
Okay.
He said, Kadubai, you bowl the spinner. I said, fine. I did that, and the wicket was turning square. And I think within 7 or 8 overs I bowled, 9 overs, I picked up 5 wickets, bowling spin. 5 for 35.
Great.
So 5 for 35 in a test match. Then once the England got out, I got 5 wickets, and the entire the team, we were returning to the dressing room, and by meantime, Bishan Bedi, he was ready to come on the field after his rub and all that. He just came out of the dressing room, and he saw our Indian team is returning, back to the dressing room area.
Yeah.
So he asked manager. He said, "What happened? Why are they coming in?" So manager said, the England team is all out. So he said, how? All out. So he said, how? Who picked the wickets? He said, Karsan Gowrie got 5 wickets.
Oh.
So naya ball liya tha kya? So manager said, no. He just continued with the spin as a spinner, and he picked in all those 5 wicket bowling spin. So we said, oh, great. So the entire team, came into the dressing room, and I was about to enter. He picked me, he said, you just stay here. And he stopped me. He said, from now on, in the nets also, you don't bowl spin, okay? So I said, Paji, मैंने अभी 5 wicket निकाला है. तो बोले अगर तुम 5 wicket निकालते रहोगे तो मैं क्या करूंगा फिर?
Wow, wonderful. कितने अच्छे से बताया कर्सन
But
गावरी.
I mean, it was just in a little humorous way. But he said, अगर spin में अगर 5 wicket निकालो मैं क्या करूंगा फिर? But anyway, because they were all great bowlers, Prasanna, Chandra, Bishan Bedi, Venkatraghavan. But I, in my entire career of 39 test matches, I never got much opportunity to bowl with the old ball. I just bowled in 2 innings. So one was at Wankhede Stadium and one was at Adelaide in Australia in 77. And these are the 2 opportunities I bowled, and fortunately, I picked up wickets in both these innings.
Wow, excellent. Great. तो हमारे जो listeners हैं, see how those cricketers were. Karsan Gowrie sir, an all-rounder in the real sense. Batting हो, left arm medium pace हो, spin हो, जो भी captain बोलेगा वो करने की तैयारी, and then also delivering that with performance. Such great anecdotes that Karsan Gowrie sir is sharing. We'll go back to another left arm spinner who's there, a part of our guest list, Venkatpati Raju. Coming back to him, sir, Raju, आपने बोला कि 92 का वर्ल्ड कप के बारे में बोला. 96 का जो वर्ल्ड कप था, तब क्रिकेट और भी पॉपुलर हो चुका था. टेलीविजन वाज देयर इन ऑलमोस्ट एवरी हाउस होल्ड. वापस डे नाइट मैचेस हो रहे थे, कलर्ड क्लोथिंग था. और वो जो 96 का वर्ल्ड कप का मैच है, वो आज भी सारे लोगों को याद है. अजय जडेजा ने जो शॉट्स मारे थे वकार यूनिस को, फिर वेंकटेश प्रसाद और आमिर सोहेल का वो जो झगड़ा हुआ था, तो वो मैच तो 92 से भी ज्यादा एक्साइटिंग था, एंड यू वर अ पार्ट ऑफ दैट टीम इन द 90s, इन द 96 वर्ल्ड कप. तो उसके बारे में हमें थोड़ा बताइए, बिकॉज व्हाई वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट इंडिया पाकिस्तान गेम्स विद राजू भाई इज बिकॉज these are games where your attitude, your temperament, your skill, your ability to handle pressure is really tested. तो वो 96 के मैच के बारे में थोड़े ड्रेसिंग रूम की बातें हमें थोड़ा बताइए राजू भाई.
या 92 में तो एक ही मैच जीते पूरा, अगर वो वर्ल्ड कप देखे तो एक ही मैच जीते थे वो पाकिस्तान के साथ. कपल वॉश आउट हो गए थे, फिर क्लोज मैचेस हारे थे, बट 96 में इंडिया और एज गुड एज हॉट फेवरेट्स. वैसा टीम जलता और इंडिया में खेल रहे थे, सब कॉन्टिनेंट में खेल रहे थे. इंडिया के एक्सपेक्टेशंस ज्यादा बढ़ गए थे, तो बॉलिंग अटैक अच्छा था, फिर बैट्समैन सचिन सब सारे थे, तो अच्छा फॉर्म में थे, तो वो एक्स्ट्रा प्रेशर था. बट द बेस्ट पार्ट बैंगलोर में जब मैच खेल रहे थे तो पहले कैपेसिटी 25,000 कुछ था, वो बढ़ाए थे वर्ल्ड कप से पहले, वो बढ़ाए थे, तो पूरा स्टेडियम फुल था. एंड इंडिया पाकिस्तान, बिकॉज वी ऑलवेज गेट एडवांटेज. इंडिया पाकिस्तान का क्योंकि क्राउड सपोर्ट ज्यादा था इधर. इंडिया में जब इंडियन टीम खेलती है तो सपोर्ट ज्यादा रहता है. तो मगर जैसे वो मैच में जडेजा ने मारा था, क्योंकि जब तक बहुत ही अच्छा कंट्रोल किया था पाकिस्तान टीम, क्राउड एक्सपेक्टेशंस भी वो देख 232 बस नहीं होता है, तो जैसा वो बैटिंग किया था वो और मोटिवेशन बढ़ाया था टीम का. द वे आमिर सोहेल एंड साइद स्टार्टेड, राइट, माय बॉन्डलाइन गया था. बॉर्डरलाइन में आई वाज जस्ट होपिंग एक विकेट बीच में अगर नहीं गिरता तो पब्लिक वर जस्ट स्लोली गेटिंग रेस्टलेस. सारे क्वाइट थे, आई वाज जस्ट वेटिंग, अगर कुछ में विकेट नहीं गिरा, कोई गलती हुआ, दे वर रेडी टू थ्रो बॉदर अबाउट दैट. एंड अभी अपन जो बात कर रहे थे ना प्रेशर का, दे वर इन अ गुड पोजीशन, वेरी गुड पोजीशन, बट जैसा वो अच्छा खेल रहा था, वो थोड़ा कैरिड फॉरवर्ड हो गया. जैसा वो प्रसाद को 4 मारने के बाद वो एक्साइटमेंट में उसको बैट दिखाया, वो गुस्सा दिखाया, मगर नेक्स्ट बॉल बोल्ड हो गया. जस्ट फिर वी कैन द गेम. स्मॉल इंसिडेंट्स जो लाइक आई वाज सेइंग, जो प्रेशर हैंडल कर सकता है वही वो मैच जीत सकता है. बिकॉज वहाँ पे जब रहता है तो इंडिया पाकिस्तान गेम, हाउ मच एवर यू लुक, जितना भी आप दिखाते हैं नहीं होता, अंदर उतना ही ज्यादा गर्म रहता है, ज्यादा टेंशन रहता है. तो यू एंजॉय प्लेइंग अगेंस्ट पाकिस्तान. पाकिस्तान का जब भी कहते हैं ब्रिंग्स आउट द बेस्ट फ्रॉम यू. एक्सपेक्ट करते रहते हो, जो पाकिस्तान इंडिया मैच से वही एक्सपेक्ट करते रहते. एंड या बीच में फिर रशीद लतीफ आया था. रशीद लतीफ आके ही वाज हिटिंग सिक्सेस. इज बेसिकली गुड फ्रेंड ऑफ माइन रशीद लतीफ. तो मैं जैसे मेरा आखिरी ओवर बॉलिंग कर रहा था तो वो मेरे को बार-बार बोलते थे कभी छक्का, हर बॉल में बोल रहा था मैं छक्का मारूंगा. मैं बोला कितना मारेगा, 6 छक्के मारेगा, मारना क्यों बताता है मुझे, बात क्यों करता है तू, मार. स्टंप आउट हो गया. स्टंप आउट होने के बाद मैं उसको बोला बहुत छक्का मार, जा घर को जाना, ऐसा those things. But like I said, that's the pressure. They try to ease, and India match, like, you know, you feel bad sometimes. Brings the best in both the teams. So one team has to win, but India has been very, very successful. अभी बता रहे थे ना अपन सीनियर्स और जूनियर्स के बारे में. Kadu bhai, Anshu bhai, they already have been with seniors, but they understood juniors को कैसा treat करना, right? It's always fun. It's always fun with Kadu bhai. Like when he entered, you told no, they were smiling. Smiling नहीं, मजा आता है. इसलिए इतना साल के बाद सौराष्ट्र जीती है, because he was there. He makes it everything very light. बिंदास बोलते हैं ना मुंबई स्टेट में, बिंदास करना चलो. Evenings if you sit with him, you'll have the best time of your life.
Oh yes, absolutely. Such a wonderful camaraderie here that we are seeing between two gentlemen, Venkatpati Raju and Karsan Gowri. We also have with us Mr. Sulakshan Kulkarni, Prasad Desai. Would you like to come in and ask something to either Karsan Gowri sir or to your friend Raju? Prasad sir, Sulakshan sir.
Hello.
Yes, Sulakshan sir, you're there.
Yeah.
Hi,
Hi, Sulu. How are you, buddy? How are you?
Yeah, good. Yeah. Hi, Venki.
Hi, Sulu.
Yeah, great to see you.
Thank you.
Same.
Yeah.
Same here.
And thanks for
Sulu,
participating. Yeah.
You're looking like an executive, man.
मेरा शर्ट मेरे को मिल ले रहा था, मेरा लॉन्ड्री गया कहाँ पे मेरे को मिल ले रहा है.
Sulu sir today is looking more like a football coach. With the tie and all that, like a manager coach of football. Yes, sir. Sulu sir, you wanted to ask something.
Yeah. Kadu bhai.
Yeah.
First of all, many congratulations to you for winning the Ranji Trophy for Saurashtra.
Thank
And
you.
I believe this is your third championship as a coach, because
That's right. Yes.
other two were for Mumbai when we won the 93-94 when Ravi was the captain.
Correct. Correct.
And
Yeah.
your third one. So
Correct.
what is your experience, winning the Ranji Trophy, and particularly Saurashtra team? They won the Ranji Trophy for the first time, I believe. Is it?
Yes. Yes.
So can you
Well-
please tell me the new team winning the Ranji Trophy? And rightly, Venkatpati Raju said he's a very joyful, funny. After the match, he's completely different. So what is the difference?
Well, every time when you win the Ranji Trophy, it's always a very happy time, for whether it was for Mumbai or especially now very recently, for Saurashtra. But winning a prime tournament of the country, it's always a great honor, and it's a great privilege to have the trophy in your the offices. But I must really congratulate the Saurashtra players, for the simple reasons we never had a star players, what the Mumbai team used to have in our time. Except the Cheteshwar Pujara and Jaydev Unadkat, but the rest of the all new players, and whatever the role were assigned to them, they delivered, they stuck to their task, and the results showed everything. But overall, I must say they were very, very committed cricketers, the Saurashtra guys, and all through the season they played like a champ, and they deserve to be a champion.
Well done. Very
Oh
well
yes,
done. Thank you.
absolutely. Sulu sir asked that question to Ghauri sir about Saurashtra team. Ghauri sir, if you could just tell us in the sense our listeners, the work ethic, the practice ethic of a great player like Cheteshwar Pujara. India won the series in Australia due to the wonderful contribution from Cheteshwar Pujara in all the 4 test matches. So कैसे approach करता है great batsman like Cheteshwar Pujara for a Ranji Trophy match? If you could just tell us so that
Yes.
all the coaches, जो players हमारे आज ये broadcast सुन रहे हैं, they can benefit from learning about Cheteshwar Pujara. How does he approach a Ranji Trophy match?
Right. I mean, whatever the workload, he takes, playing for India. I mean, he goes, when it comes to Ranji Trophy, for Saurashtra, he does the same thing again and again. See, the workload in the sense, when we start nets or the training, he does all the training with the boys. When it comes to the nets, almost the main batsman, till number, 7, 8, we give them, 15 to 20 minutes batting, each, 10 minutes each. One net is for the spinners, one is for the medium fast bowlers or fast bowlers. But 20 minutes batting, for Cheteshwar Pujara is not enough. But he has his own the workout program. As soon as the nets and everything is over, or many times I've seen he comes before the net starts. He comes 1.5, 2 hours earlier, and the bowlers are all. We are already organized. He bats in the nets for hours and hours together. I mean, either before the net starts, or many times I've seen even after the nets are over, he would just keep on batting in the nets. So he has his own the drills and programs in before the games.
Yes, absolutely. So see, this is all a learning for us who are tuning into this program. जो हमारे सारे physically challenged cricketers ये broadcast सुन रहे हैं. See how wonderfully Karsan Ghauri sir has explained कि Cheteshwar Pujara, India player, Indian top player, but even when he practices for the Ranji Trophy game, such a systematic approach towards the game. That is why he scores those runs. Coming back to the Venkatpati Raju back again. We spoke to him about those matches, about his debut, about the couple of World Cup games that he played. But one match that will be incomplete if we don't speak about that with Venkatpati Raju has to be that historic test match played at Eden Gardens in 2001, where India made that historic comeback, that 376-run partnership between Rahul Dravid and VVS Lakshman, one of the greatest test matches ever played, arguably, as far as test match is concerned. Venkatpati Raju was a part of that team. Raju bhai, if you could just tell us what a moment that was for Indian cricket in general.
Yeah, I'll tell about myself because till 96 I was a regular member of the Indian cricket team, and again in 97 I played against Australia, 98 against Australia. Again I got a chance to play against Australia. I prepared for it, but then we had a camp where all the bowlers were called. Then they tried to find a competition, and I was playing domestic cricket, but was not ready for international cricket, right? And then we lost the first match. They were dominating spinners in Mumbai. Australia dominated. फिर वहाँ पे जब गए तो अलग atmosphere था. Because when I went in, like I was always very friendly. My boarding school से था. Boarding school, there were a lot of boys from different parts of the country. We always stayed together. So I had this habit of meeting players. So, but I was called. इतना intense हो गया था और इतना changes हो गए थे. They called me. The captain, the coach called me and told I'm not talking with the Australian players till the match is over.
Oh.
Right. Yeah, they called me and practice चल रहा था. Practice में then I understood how cricket is changing. Because I was captaining Hyderabad, इतना साल से खेले, take that liberty of running 2 rounds, थोड़े catches पकड़ो, experience करके अपन थोड़ा bowling करते थे. So I was taking that liberty. But once you came here, यहाँ पे पता चला. Changing, things were changing, lot of fitness. Then अभी कड़ू भाई बोले ना जैसा चतेश्वर पुजारा, he takes his time, पहले आके prepare होता है, वैसा preparation चालू हुआ था इधर. And it was very, very tough. Unless you do that every day, you can't do that at that particular time. And then जैसा follow on हुआ था, Mr. Chetan Chauhan was the coach, and Madan Lal was the selector. वो दोनों शाम में बुलाए थे क्योंकि मैं और लक्ष्मण बैटिंग कर रहे थे. एंड ऑफ प्ले तो दोनों बुलाए थे एंड दे वर ट्राइंग टू गिव अस कॉन्फिडेंस. They said it's a 5-day game. 5-day game. आप कुछ ना ऐसे मैचेस बहुत हुए थे जहाँ ड्रॉ भी किए. पाकिस्तान में gave us those experiences. How Sunny Bhai and Chetan Chauhan played and got a huge partnership. उसके बाद मैच जो हारने वाला था वो ड्रॉ किए. So they were motivating. लक्ष्मण कूल सुन रहा था. And me being a lower mid order, playing after so long, I was just thinking, क्या तो भी बात करें लक्ष्मण, because three more days, and then they just needed 1 wicket.
Yes.
उसके बाद राहुल द्रविड़ था, इसमें कोई एक wicket, वही दिन मैच खत्म होता था. So that's why I'm saying I was sitting there and thinking, क्या तो भी करेगा. Lakshman said, sir, I think we're winning this game.
Oh wow, Lakshman said this.
Yeah, he said that. He said that
Wow.
we're winning the game. तो मैं मन में असली है. Playing a long time competitive cricket ज़्यादा नहीं करता. मैं बोला क्या होगा. इतना एक विकेट चाहिए, इतना लीड है और कितना भी करेंगे ना, इतना कौन पार्टनरशिप करेगा. But the confidence he had. That's why they're all champions. They don't give up. And then जैसा वो बैटिंग किया वो टेस्ट मैच में, राहुल द्रविड़ नंबर 3 से नंबर 6 गया, दोनों का पार्टनरशिप देके, and then that changed Indian cricket again. Because in 1983, जैसे कपिल देव का डेविल्स जीते थे मैच, क्रिकेट 50 ओवर क्रिकेट चेंज हुआ था, and then like our senior cricketers who thought कैसा खेलना है, because वो टाइम पे इतना फैसिलिटीज नहीं थे, जैसे कड़ू भाई सब खेलते थे, इतना फैसिलिटीज नहीं थे. When they went uncovered wickets, the cricket was different. The mental part of it, and then how win a match. That's why they always say, no, you don't win the match or win a match till the last ball is bowled.
Correct.
Very true. And I'll tell you again, so मैं कभी बाहर बैठ के मैच देखता नहीं, लाइव मैच देखता, अंदर बैठ के टेलीविजन पे देखते रहते थे. So when these guys started getting that partnership, the coach, John Rada, guys, come on, move. Cricket is not happening here. Go appreciate, sit outside and appreciate them. And I tell you,
Okay.
that was my last match. Okay, historic match, my last test match, and my last match for India. But it was worth it. पूरा match देखे जो दोनों ने batting किया था, right? So I don't feel bad that night. It was my last match. Historic match. Cricket changed. Then you could see India became brilliant. You know, India became world number one, and they have been one team for a longer time. Now people, you can see like, you know, how cricket has changed. So I think match changed the mindset of Indian cricketers.
Oh yes, absolutely. Mindset of Indian cricketers changed. So nicely explained by वेंकटपति राजू. एक और सवाल वो पूछना था आपसे इस टेस्ट मैच के बारे में ही. एक पूरा दिन, day 3, day 4, एक पूरा दिन एक भी विकेट गया नहीं. Full 90 overs. It was Rahul Dravid and VVS Lakshman who batted the entire day. What was the talk in the dressing room? Dressing room में क्या बात हुई after the end of day's play? Not a single wicket fell in the entire day's play.
That's why they dominated. इसलिए आप देखो 19 जैसे डे से जब भी लक्ष्मण और राहुल द्रविड़ बैटिंग करते हैं वो कभी डोमिनेट किए. And they always had long partnerships. तो कोई कुछ नहीं बोला, खामोश थे सब.
Oh.
कैप्टन बता रहा था डोंट वरी वी आर प्लेइंग अगेन, वी विल मेक, खेलते रहो. But then like I was saying, अंदर बैठ के थे, जैसा हमारा कोच ने कहा जाके बाहर देखो, they were watching, right? I said live, अंदर भी नहीं, live देखे थे ball by ball, and then like I said, nobody said anything. They just asked them to keep continuing. कोई आवाज नहीं, क्योंकि कभी भी एक विकेट गिरता था तो मैच चेंज हो सकता था. And like you rightly said, 90 overs, a single wicket for the whole day.
Oh yes, absolutely. What a test match that was, and I mean, it must be such a proud feeling to be a part of that team in that particular test match, which India won. And what an innings that was from VVS Lakshman, one of the best test matches that has been ever played, and such a wonderful explanation there from Venkatpati Raju, the emergence of Indian cricket. And then of course, just to tell our listeners, जो हमें सुन रहे हैं, it was Venkatpati Raju who took the wicket of Mark Waugh for 0. So Mark Waugh, good player on these conditions, but it was Venkatpati Raju who took Mark Waugh's wicket, and it was Harbhajan Singh, Rahul Dravid, VVS Lakshman, Sachin Tendulkar, and of course Saurav Ganguly with the captaincy. It was, as Venkatpati Raju rightly said, it changed the mindset of Indian cricket, and as we now see where Indian cricket is in the safe hands in 2020. Wonderfully explained. Anything that our panelists would like to ask? Prasad Desai sir, Sulakshan Kulkarni sir, anything that you would like to come in? We've got Vinod Deshpande sir also. Sir, good evening. Anything that you would like to ask our panelists? Sir, just unmute your. Yes,
okay.
yes. Now, yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening. I just want to ask Kadubhai one question regarding Melbourne Test match, which we won on the very bad track. Sunil Gavaskar and Chetan Chauhan's episode. After that, Kadubhai took wicket of Greg Chappell, and next day was a history. Kapil Dev took 5 wickets, but I think Kapil Dev was badly injured in that match, and he was not able to bowl. But I think in the evening team meeting, I heard something has happened, and Kapil Dev was instigated to bowl his best spell. So कड़ू भाई आपसे मैं ये सुनना चाहता हूँ कि एक्चुअली क्या हुआ और जो हिस्टोरिकल मैच जो जीते, still I remember that match.
Well, actually, it started, on the 4th day after tea time, because Australia were chasing, 142 runs or something like that there to win the game. But, the entire complexion of the game changed on the 4th day when we got those 3 guys out. I got 2 wickets and Dilip Doshi got 1. I got 2 consecutive delivery. I got first John Dyson, and the next delivery first ball was Greg Chappell was clean bowled.
Yeah.
Dilip Doshi got 1 wicket. So on the 4th day, end of the day's play, Australia were already 3 wickets down, for 15 runs or something like that.
Yeah, 3 for 24 it was.
Yeah, and then we all had a small meeting in the changing room, and of course Sunil was captain, and he said, guys, 142 runs is still a long way to go. We can win this test match, provided we put everything together. Efforts are required tomorrow. And on the 4th day, Kapil was not on the field because of the injury, but he showed so much of courage. He said, "Nahi, main kal bowling karunga," and he took so those painkillers, injections, and he came on the field the next day on the 5th day, and the rest is all history. And he just ran through the side. He picked up 5 wickets, and we got them out for 82 or 83 runs, and we won. And I think there was a great moment because, such a test match in such a small total winning, and that too in not in our country, in Australia. So, and very significantly, that particular series was like we, squared the series for the first time in the history of these two countries' teams. That was the first time ever we squared the series, 3 test match series in Australia. Otherwise, earlier, right from 1940s till 2080, I mean, every time
it was
went there.
And it was one of the best team.
Oh yes,
it was one of the best team in the world. That Australia team in that decade,
Australia,
that team was one of the best team.
They were all great players, Greg Chappell and Kim Hughes, Alan Border, and they had some quality players. Yeah.
Oh yes, absolutely. Such wonderful stories about that test match, and Mr. Vinod Deshpande asking that to Karsan Gowri. Coming back to Venkatpati Raju, we spoke about that test match, and then the other journey began of Venkatpati Raju from a cricketer to a selector to a little bit of into coaching, now into commentary, Telugu commentary. Just to remind you, Raju bhai, last year इसी समय आप बदलापुर के कैंप में थे for the World Championship of our physically challenged cricketers. So how was that experience?
Fantastic. When Prasad Desai told me, I never had idea. क्या रहता करके मैं बोला चलो जाके देखते हैं. But first of all, I should congratulate the team for winning the cup. Brilliant performance and all the help by Joglekar sir and all the way they helped and the responsibility they took. जाने के बाद when I saw them, their dedication. Especially Sulu taking that responsibility, being a coach. ये सब बैठने के बाद इतना professional था, and when they sat there, they were so determined. तो प्रसाद मेरे को बाजू बोला बोलता है अभी तो भाषण देख रहा है, कल वो जब मैच खेलते ना देखना. Odd but beautifully organized, इतना एक ऐसा जगह पे लेके गए थे, beautiful festival. Morning जाके बैठा था, the way they were playing, the way they were driving, because they wanted to be part of the team. Selection था वो. Selection के लिए the effort they were putting is actually a lot of players in shame. If you see the guys who are playing nowadays who just want to come into the team by shortcut. ऐसे मेरा तो आधा दिन तो मुंह खुला था जैसे वो पकड़ रहे थे, one hand sixes मार रहे थे and fast bowling the way they were bouncing, one-handed fielding. I think it was like वो देखने के बाद मैं बोला we are very lucky. अपन को 2 आंखें 2 हाथ है, हर चीज है अपने पास. Very, very lucky. But after seeing that, you feel the effort they put, especially the whole team, which gave them the opportunity. So, इनका interaction भी हुआ. They were supporting each other, and they understood who is going to be part of that particular 15. Competition solid था, but they were all there working hard, and I think the future is so bright. But seeing all those guys, physically handicapped boys playing, I think it made my day, and I won't miss it. ऐसा मैचेस अगर इंडिया में अगर किधर भी हुआ तो आके जरूर देखूंगा because it was so inspiring to watch these guys perform.
Oh yes, absolutely. So nicely explained. जो हमारे साथ ये सुन रहे हैं उनके लिए भी ये कितनी अच्छी चीज है जब a former test cricketer says के I will like to come and watch these matches, and full credit to the team for the way they played. Karsan Gowri sir, your thoughts on the experience that you had while building this team. You went with the team to the UK at Worcestershire, and then India went on to win the World Series of the physically challenged.
Well, right from the beginning of the tournament, we had a couple of tournaments here in India. We had a couple of camps in India, trial camps, and the kind of the commitment shown by the players, and when it came to selections, like Prasad was one of the selectors, Deepak Jadhav, Brijesh Solkar, myself, and Umesh Kulkarni. So selection was totally on merit. I mean, I don't want to name anybody right now, but there were a lot of pressures, from the various places. कि नहीं यार हमारे ये बच्चे को लेना चाहिए. हम लोगों ने ऐसा system बनाया था कि whenever there used to be a trials or the trial matches, only those 4 or 5 selectors used to sit there. No other people were allowed to come in there, even during the lunchtime or during the breaks. So the entire selection process was done by the selectors totally on a merit. And when and it showed, when we went to England to play the World Cup tournament, it shows. I mean, right from the match number 1 till we won the trophy, Indian team never lost a single game, and
Yes.
that says it all.
Oh, yes, absolutely. So wonderfully explained. And heartiest congratulations to the team for that wonderful win. We'll also have a quick word with Mr. Prasad Desai. Prasad Desai, sir, is here with us. If
Yes,
we can have him
Well,
on the
I'm
screen.
I'm sorry to interrupt, Prasad.
Goodbye.
See,
Namaste.
when we went to England,
Uh-huh.
I must forgot one comment to make. I mean, the kind of the contribution is given by the players was absolutely tremendous, but the coach Sulakshan Kulkarni's contribution was equally very sizable.
Absolutely. Great words. Those heartiest congratulations to the team, and well done, Sulu sir, as always there with those tips that he always gives those players. Thank you, sir. And once again, heartiest congratulations. Anything that you would like to share about that experience of coaching a very different team in your career, sir?
Yes. This was something special for me. In fact, as Venki said, after watching those boys in the match, he was in awe. I was inspired after watching them. Let me tell you very frankly, after playing or coaching for so many years, I was actually inspired by watching them. The way they were playing with the one hand, taking brilliant catches, and the hungriness was there. And really, I was inspired. And the kind of talent they have. I'll tell you, Prasanna, the deformity percentage of this tournament was different.
Yes.
England, when we went to England, we came to know that everybody's deformity percentage is different. England has 15%, whereas India has 40%.
Thank
The
you.
margin of deformity was huge.
Jamla, no?
In spite of that, we won all the matches, and we won all the matches convincingly.
Oh, absolutely.
And
well done.
It was a complete, total team effort. It was very well organized
वेगळं
by
काहीतरी
Vinod Deshpande has done a fantastic job. Then all the selectors, as rightly mentioned by Kadubhai, all the selectors, it was a fair selection, and we really enjoyed a lot.
Oh, absolutely. Thank you so much for those thoughts. And जो हमारे सुनने वाले उनको भी कितनी सारी चीजें पता चल रही है इसके बारे में. Having a quick word with Mr. Prasad Desai, sir. If you could just tell us about the academy, the training thing that is coming up for the physically challenged cricketers and online. If you could just elaborate on that for us, sir.
And now we've been discussing about the past for such a long time. Are you there, Prasanna?
Yes, sir. I am.
We've been discussing about the past, and we would not like to live in the past. It's a past glory which we've achieved, and we have to move ahead now.
Yes.
So we have a different beginning now with these special boys. I call them my boys, special boys. I don't use those terms whichever people use. Now we have to format their well-being. So now the training programs as cricketing skills would go. जैसे क्रिकेट में फील्डिंग, बैटिंग, बॉलिंग और सारी चीजें हैं, इनको हमको करियर भी देना है, प्रसन्ना. तो इनको सबको जितने भी क्रिकेट रिलेटेड या फिर जो भी चीजें हैं, जो भी प्रोफेशन है क्रिकेट रिलेटेड, वो प्रोफेशन की भी ट्रेनिंग देंगे.
ओके.
कि वो सिर्फ क्रिकेट नहीं खेलेंगे, वो भी जैसे हमारे जो एबल्ड क्रिकेटर्स हैं, जैसे बैंक में काम करते हैं, जैसे ऑफिसेज में जाते हैं, वैसे ही हमारे स्पेशल बच्चे अभी ये इनको सारी चीजें सिखाई जाएगी, कोर्सेज किए जाएंगे और उसके द्वारा ये बच्चे अब अपना करियर बनाएंगे. See, nobody can make a face about money.
Yes.
तो पैसे का मुखौटा कोई नहीं लगा सकता है जब तक, और ये जो चैलेंज मेरे स्पेशल बच्चे हैं वो हमेशा निग्लेक्टेड बच्चे होते हैं।
Yes.
तो उनको अपने लेवल पे लाना है और वो हम लाएंगे, इतना हम आपको प्रॉमिस कर रहे हैं। क्रिकेट तो खेलते रहेंगे, क्रिकेट इज देयर आर्ट, बट एट द सेम टाइम देयर वेलबीइंग एंड फैसिलिटेशन जो होना चाहिए तो अपना करियर, और वो इतना ही सपोर्टिव होना चाहिए जितने हम अपने फैमिली के लिए सपोर्टिव हैं।
Correct.
उनको उतना इंडिपेंडेंट बनाना है। वो जोगलेकर साहब has done a wonderful job. Vinod Deshpande, Kadu Bhai, my co-selectors, and all the supportive staff, सबने अच्छा काम किया। Prasanna, you are doing a wonderful job, and thank you everybody for getting involved. And we are going to involve a lot of people now.
Yeah,
It is not just कि वर्ल्ड कप तो एक टूर्नामेंट थी, वो खत्म हो गई, पास में नहीं बोलना है, आगे जो करना है वो बच्चों के लिए we need all your guidance.
Oh, yes, absolutely. So look at the future. What we have achieved is yes, always ours, but future mein jo hai, that is very important. Just coming to the closure of our discussion, we'll go back to Venkatpati Raju. This time I'll ask him a question in Marathi, because he also spends a lot of time here in Mumbai and has a lot of cricketers, friends from Mumbai. Sir, एक advice तुम्ही काय द्याल ह्या सगळ्या cricketers ना? Physically challenged cricketers, तुम्ही त्यांच्याबरोबर खेळलेला आहात, त्यांना क्रिकेट शिकवलेलं आहे. एक advice त्यांना काय द्याल?
बिंदास खेलना। अपन मेरे को 2-3 वर्ड्स आते, गप्पा बसने पूरा आते, पर आजकल जो देख रहे हो बिंदास खेल, क्या बोलते हो, नहीं इतना चांगला टीम है, बिंदास खेलना।
चांगली टीम आहे, बिंदास खेळला. What a wonderful way. Thank you so much. We'll close it formally, but just once again going back to Karsan Gowri sir. Gowri sir, one word of advice to all our wonderful listeners, all our cricketers. क्या advice आप देना चाहोगे Gowri sir?
Prasanna, I think we have lost Karsan sir's feed.
Okay, so so just closing it, we've just lost the connection with Karsan Gowri sir. But what a wonderful discussion that we had. We started with Mr. Anshuman Gaikwad, Venkatpati Raju, Karsan Gowri sir joined in. We spoke about international matches, spoke about the Ranji Trophy matches, Saurashtra's maiden Ranji Trophy title win. Venkatpati Raju speaking about the 2 World Cups, his debut, that historic Kolkata Test match. Karsan Gowri sir talking about that Melbourne Test match, and such a wonderful discussion that we had. But one thing that we would like to sum up to all our listeners is that even if you are physically challenged, cricket is a game of great skill and art. So if you can give your 100% and overcome these difficulties and challenges, I think everybody will be a great cricketer at the end of the day. So thank you so much to all our cricketer experts, Mr. Venkatpati Raju, Mr. Karsan Gowri, Mr. Anshuman Gaikwad. It was a pleasure talking to you. Stay in touch, and we will be talking about cricket in the days and years to come. Thank you so much for joining us. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Venkatpati Raju.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, Raju. Take care.
Thank you, Venki.
Thank
Thank
you.
you, sir. Take care.
Venkatpati Raju speaks Marathi. I said chala bagundi. I speak a little bit of Telugu, Prasanna.
Oh, okay, great.
Yeah, Prasad, you speak better Telugu than me. I know that. Not only Telugu, lot of languages. Not only Telugu, lot of languages.
Thank you, Venki. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Prasanna,
Thank you.
wonderful, Prasanna. Thank you so much.
Thank you.